Have you waken up one day morning and you see this on your screen? Washer fluid check level. That means your washer fluid is finished. Assuming you don't have any leak on your container. Let's see how you do it. You need this fluid. I grabbed this fluid from my local dealership. It's about 30 to 60 ounces of fluid in it, and it's concentrated liquid that you pour into the drainage here, and then you add tap water to it. All right, let's see how you do it. So first, you need to find a container to fetch water if you don't have water hose. So this is a little KitchenAid stuff that I was using to catch water. You don't have to do this. You can always use it. Any other forms to get water. And then when you get there, you open the lid of the washer fluid container, and pour it down the drainage. Now, first, you pour water first into the drainage. So water has to go first before the concentrated fluid. The next step is to open the concentrated fluid from the dealership and pour it down the drain. And after, you can go ahead and fill it to the brim. You keep filling it all the way to the brim. The next step is to cover it up and then inspect the vehicle for the rest of the fluid. Make sure every fluid is in the specification level. This is the power steering fluid. Looking at it, it is cold and it's at the right setting. So I do not have to add anything, but if yours is lower than the second bar, I would recommend you add a little bit of power steering fluid. This is the brake fluid. I also require that you check that, make sure everything is fine. Now the last step, you turn on the engine and then you make sure that the washer fluid level check is gone. If it's not gone, go back and check your drainage bath. Thanks for watching and subscribe.